see what we can make using this super cute metal sign and some picks and sprays from the December resupply box. All right, I'm gonna do something I almost never do. I'm gonna just pull a Megan, a Tammy, I don't know who else does this, and cut a couple pieces. I don't want to cut too many. I think I'm gonna go with 5. We only need a little bit. So that felt, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, beautiful, look at that. Again, one of the supply box, December supply box pieces, love. All right, I'm gonna just scrunch this into like a little cruffle. Scrunch it over here into another little cruffle. I have no idea how long these are. I'll measure one of them. They all are definitely different sizes, but I'll see it approximately 16 inches maybe-ish. For those of you who don't know who I am one of the coaches inside the design school with Deco Exchange. Okay, all right, we're gonna just put a couple of these in here. Okay, just a couple. I'm gonna use my trusty little, this guy here, and just put some in there. Just a couple. This mesh from the December box is, it's so good. Mesh added. Easy breezy. We're gonna take a little bit of ribbon, a little tiny bit. Just for reference, the loop is about 5 1/4 inches. It is, what night is tonight? Tuesday night. Not that I wanted to choose this color, but I chose it, so now we're gonna live with it. But it's fine. So let's get all these in. I love adding a little bit of mesh to grapevine sometimes. Okay, a little bit more up, coming down, got it going on. Okay, sign's not attached yet, but look how cute. How cute is that? Excuse me, that is from, again, these are all from the supply box. I got the hiccups. Time 4. Because I don't want to pull out another one. I only want to use one because I like it and I want to use it in a different project too. So instead of just having 3 parts, let's use, all right, I'm going to poke a couple little holes right here in the sign just to kind of mask, because I'm going to use a wire. So I just put that wire right through the grapevine. Got a nice, good chunk of it. And I'm not going to cut it off either. I'm going to leave it nice and long and just wiggle it in. Okay, okay, okay. Add in a little bit of glue. Some's going to go on the bottom, some's going to go on the top, some's going to come out of the top. The idea is to make sure they all get glued and shown all the way around, right? Okay, cutesy pie, really cute. We're not going to put necessarily a bow in it. I'm not going to put necessarily any one single bow because we have the little ones going on. This was also in the supply box. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go on the insides of those. Okay. I knew this was going to be a weird one as soon as I started cutting mesh without a rotary cutter. So these are going all different ways. It's going all different ways. It's all right. All right. A little bit of flare coming in there. Let's do these first. Those are cute. We got 2 of these. Love. This is going to be wild and crazy. It could be for any... I'm just going to list this as an everyday. You don't want to forget every day. I'm telling you. You don't want to forget everyday stuff. Time for me to pull in some more. Ficus. Oh, I know. I'm starting to be a little bit weird about this. I'm gonna... Ha! These were from Walmart, actually. This was not part of the supply box. But I thought that would be really cute in there. Darling. Darling. So cute. Look at that. Look at that. That is cute. Again, it's Melissa with Sincerely Creative Mom. I'm one of your design school coaches. This box was the December box. It is a mystery. It is a monthly subscription, and I cannot wait to see what is in the January box. But until next month, when I'm here on the How to Make Wreaths group again, I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.